एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला होगा CH2O। स्टार्ट, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्या स्टार्ट? चलो गाइस, welcome to your channel, the study hub. Today I will discuss about the second part of the chemistry, second part. That is the first chapter of class 11, basic concept of chemistry. क्या हो? Basic concept of chemistry. बहुत सारा इसमें है, but I will not bother all these things. Just I will discuss which will be important terms. Okay. So in this term, in these chapters, if you go through in details, so rest of the chapters of this total syllabus of 11 will be very easy. So go through this chapter very carefully. I am discussing something. So let's start today's discussions, the part 2 of basic concepts of chemistry. But don't forget to subscribe it, share it and comment it. Clear? So बच्चों, let's start. Come, gram atomic mass, GMM, gram atomic mass, gram atomic mass, nothing, not required. What is gram atomic mass? If you convert the atomic mass, that is atomic mass expressed in gram. अरे atomic mass expressed in gram. atomic mass कितना होगा ऑक्सीजन का, atomic mass कितना होगा कार्बन का, हाँ, उसका जो atomic mass होगा उसका कन्वर्ट करो ग्राम में, वो होगा atomic mass, gram atomic mass. Okay. That means atomic mass expressed in gram is known as gram atomic mass. Simply 1 gram atom. 1 gram atom. So atomic mass expressed in gram is known as gram atomic mass. And simply it is known as 1 gram atom. So what do you mean by 1 gram atom of oxygen and gram atomic mass of oxygen? What do you mean by 1 gram atom? 1 gram atom of oxygen or gram atomic mass, atomic mass of oxygen. क्या है? See, the 1 gram atom of oxygen or gram atomic mass of oxygen. Plus, gram atom versus mass of an atom. That means gram atom versus mass of an atom. Mass of atom. Gram atom versus mass of atom. What is gram atom versus mass of atom? Of an element का जो एटम है, the mass of 1 atom of oxygen, mass of 1 atom of oxygen क्या होगा? Mass of 1 atom of, the mass of 1, this is 1 atom of oxygen equals to कितना? 2.66 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power 23. Clear? Atogram. Mass of 1 atom of oxygen equals to 2.60 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Clear? A gram atomic mass of oxygen कितना? Gram atomic mass of oxygen कितना? 16. Clear? That means atomic mass of oxygen converted in gram, that is 16 gram. Gram atomic mass. Atomic mass of oxygen कितना? 16. It is converted into gram, 16 gram. So gram atomic mass of oxygen equals to 16 gram. mass of one atom of oxygen 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Clear? The number of gram, the gram atom versus mass of an atom. The number of gram atom कितना होगा? The number of gram atom equals to mass of atom by g gram atomic mass. Mass of atom by gram atomic mass. Suppose mass of an atom is given W gram, the W gram by gram atomic mass of that atom. Suppose you are given 10 gram of any atom, so what is the number of atom? तो 10 ग्राम में कितना एटम है? दैट मीन्स 10 WB 10 बाई जो एटम होगा ऑक्सीजन होगा तो 16, कार्बन होगा तो 6, ऐसे. दैट मीन WG बाई GM. द नंबर ऑफ एटम इक्वल्स टू मास इन ग्राम, mass of atom in gram by gram atomic mass. Clear? Now come gram molecular mass. Okay? Clear? एटॉमिक मास जो हो उसको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो, ग्राम एटॉमिक मास आ जाएगा. मॉलिकुलर मास, मास ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल. देन मॉलिक्यूल में कंपाउंड का एलिमेंट जो है एटम होगा, एटॉमिक मास होगा. मॉलिक्यूल जो है उसका मास मॉलिकुलर मास, एंड उसका कन्वर्ट करो एट ग्राम में, वो होगा ग्राम मॉलिकुलर मास. दैट मीन्स मॉलिकुलर मास क्या है? सम ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस ऑफ ऑल of the elements present in a molecule is known as molecular mass. Sum of atomic masses of an element present in a compound, in a molecule, as is known as molecular mass. And it is expressed, when it is expressed in gram, is known as gram molecular mass. Okay? The sum of molecular mass, sum of the atomic mass. Okay, sum of atomic masses of the molecule. Okay, and it is when it is converted into gram, gram molecular mass. The molecular mass, gram molecular mass. Clear? तो सम मॉलिक्यूलर मध्य कितना एटम है, एक मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर कितना एटम है, उसका जो मास होगा सम करो, उसका मॉलिकुलर मास निकल जाएगा. द मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, सम ऑफ वन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कितना था, हम बोला 2.66 10 to the minus 23. द सम ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन 5.32 10 to the minus 23. 5.32 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Sum of, that is the one molecule. इसका द मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, ए वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन का, वन मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, मास ऑफ वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इक्वल्स टू 5.32 into 10 to the power 23 gram. But gram molecular mass, GMM, gram molecular mass of O2 equals to कितना 32, 16 to the 32 gram. Clear? Gram molecular mass of O2 on the molecule of one molecule of oxygen equals to 32 gram. Our mass of one molecule of oxygen 5.32 10 to the power minus 22 gram. Minus 23 gram. This is the mass of one atom of oxygen. कितना होगा 2.33, 2.66 10 to the minus 23 gram. Clear? And this is the molecular mass, gram molecular mass, atomic mass, average atomic mass, gram atomic mass. Next come formula mass. What is formula mass? Clear? If you can take nitrogen कितना होगा N2, नाइट्रोजन कितना होगा N2, उसका मोलिकुलर मास की 14 into 2 28. दैट मीन्स वन मोलिकुलर में दोनों नाइट्रोजन एटम है, एक नाइट्रोजन एटम प्लस वन नाइट्रोजन 14 plus 14 28. नाइट्रोजन में दोनों नाइट्रोजन एटम है ये मॉलिक्यूल में। क्लियर, ऐसे होगा। नेक्स्ट कम फॉर्मूला, यूनिट बाय फॉर्मूला मास। समटाइम्स व्हाट यू नो, in case of ionic compounds, in case of ionic compound, you cannot find actual molecule or atoms in the compounds. This is not possible. Ionic compounds, in case of solid state, but solid lattice, in case of ionic compounds, you do not have, solid compound do not have discrete molecules as constituents. Ionic compounds, right, not karo. Ionic compounds do not have discrete molecules, ऐसे लिखना होगा, discrete molecules as constituents. Here in this case, positive or negative ions. Here in this case, what happens? Positive or negative ions are arranged in a three-dimensional structure, 3D structure. Positive, negative जो ion है, these ions are arranged in three-dimensional structure. So, instead of molecular mass, instead of molecular mass, we use formula mass. Why formula mass? Why not atomic mass? Why not molecular mass? It is also a compound, so it must be molecular mass. Why it is not, cannot be found in molecular mass of solid state lattice, that is the ionic compound? Because what I told, they do not have discrete molecules as constituents. So in this case, positive and negative ions regarded, are arranged in such a way as a 3D dimensions structure, 3D structures. So formula mass of ionic compounds equals to formula mass of ionic compounds क्या होगा? Number of cations into to its बोलो in atomic number. Okay, its atomic mass. Number of cations into its atomic mass. Number of anions into its atomic mass. That means what is formula mass of ionic compound? Write the formula mass of ionic compound equals to number of positive ions into उसका mass, atomic mass. जो एटम का आयन होगा उसका जो मास इतना ही है, उसका जो जितना नंबर है प्लस नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव आयंस हो रहा है भाई, नेगेटिव आयंस हो रहा है इनटू एटॉमिक मास. क्लियर? द फॉर्मूला mass of ionic compounds equals to number of positive ions n, number of positive ions, its atomic mass, plus number of negative ions into its atomic mass. Yes? Then formula mass of NaCl, for example, formula mass of NaCl. It is an example. NaCl lattice structure, solid lattice structure of NaCl, you have learned. एक क्लोरीन के अंदर सोडियम है, एक सोडियम के अंदर क्लोरीन है, ऐसे. दैट मीन्स एटॉमिक मास ऑफ सोडियम आयन इनटू एटॉमिक मास ऑफ क्लोरीन. या पॉजिटिव आयन एक है, क्लोरीन आयन एक है, 1 इंटू एटॉमिक मास सोडियम, दैट मीन्स 23 प्लस क्लोरीन कितना होगा 35.5. ये जो होगा दैट इज द आंसर, दैट इज 58.5 यूनिफाइड मास. 58.5 mu unified mass. Okay, atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine. Clear? So now it is clear. Formula mass, atomic mass. So what is the difference? Tell me, what is the difference? Atomic mass and formula mass. Who can tell? Note it down. The two difference. Molecular mass or formula unit mass. Yeah. Last page, which page me here? Molecular mass versus formula mass. एंड एक यूनिट क्यों होता है? फार्मूला यूनिट. वो जो यूनिट है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आयन का, we have formula unit. Clear? The molecular mass versus formula mass. Very easy. It is the sum of the masses of all the atoms present in the molecules of a compound. And it is what? Sum of the masses of the ion present in the compounds. Clear? And it gives the actual formula mass. It gives the molecular formula of a compound. It gives the molecular formula H2SO4 C6H12O6 molecular formula. The formula mass, molecular formula give the molecular formula of compounds. It gives the empirical formula. But it gives molecular formula, very important. If this molecular formula, write it, note down, it gives empirical formula. Clear? What is empirical formula? I will discuss. Okay? I will discuss empirical formula. It gives exactly the number of atoms present in a compound. It gives the exact number of atoms present in a compound. Exact number of atoms. And it gives the ratio of the atoms or ratio of the ions present. That is in case of, suppose I will discuss, in case of 6 glucose, C6H12O6. इसमें जो रेशियो होगा 1:2:1 रेशियो, इसका एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला होगा CH2O, ये होगा CH2O 1:2:1 रेशियो. Clear? So it is this is the main difference of molecular mass and formula mass. Clear? Next. Students, now guys, these are the short lectures between about atomic mass, gram atomic mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, molecular mass, formula unit, difference between molecular mass and formula mass. And next I will discuss about next video the concept of moles and molar mass, limiting reagents, and also some basics law. Molarity, percentage compositions, molarity, then basic laws. Okay, so today I draw my ends out here. So my beloved students, see it. If any problem, comment me on comment box. Please subscribe it, comment it, and share it among your friends. Goodbye.